Before Chungran decided to take him down in Donkey Kong punching. But
well, I've studied both these guys, and they absolutely have a mirrored life story and a mirrored skill set. It's like Chungrang versus Chungrang or Rabindra versus Rabindra. These guys are so evenly matched that it's going to be so tough to decide. Oh man!
Nice entry by Chungran Koren. Comes over with the right hand. And good reversal by Rabindra Dant. He knew this was coming. He's trained for it. But what remains to be seen is the strength. His corner tells me that he's got a great strength. Oh, straight into mount.
Rabindra's gone.
He's got the mount here, and look at the movement. It's still early in the fight. And Chungran Koren, though, is eating a couple of shots. He's eating a lot of shots. A lot of shots. Rabindra Dant is teeing off on Chungran Koren. Chungran doing a good job defending this. But there's only so much you can do.
Rabindra has unleashed the beast in him.
The chin on Chungran Koren, though. And look at that, the awareness. He's got a hold of that leg.
The right leg of Rabindra Dant. Oh!
Look at that again, trying to turn it around, but Rabindra Dant with superior positioning. Landing those shots to the side of the head, controlling his posture.
Well, that's exactly the same
thing that Chungran normally does.
And he's been doing it in the last 4 fights against Kanto.
Oh, look at the welt that's formed on the right-hand side of Chungran's face. Man, he's taken a lot of shots.
Chungran looks rocked.
Chungran looks a little hurt still. He's still a little hurt because Rabindra Dant landed at least 20 or 30 big shots, and props to him. And again, man, there we go. We've never seen Chungran Koren being Chungran Koren because it's like a verb at this point.
He's getting outclassed right now.
He's flattened him out in front of his corner, and now big shots here. Big shots. Chungran Koren is in trouble early on in this round. It's just the first round. He's taken so much punishment, and that's what we said. I talked about it. Wrestlers like Chungran Koren have not spent. They don't like to be on their backs. This is a different position for him. It's different to see how he's going to react. And Dant is having his way with him because the amount of punishment he's taken.
Let me tell you something.
Oh, this fight is going to be over anytime now. The kind of punches. Referee Mark Goddard.
Rabindra's team actually manifested this. They made a rap video wherein Rabindra is knocking out Chungran Koren.
It's not over yet. It's not over yet. He's still in it. But Chungran Koren has taken so much damage that Rabindra Dant he's holding on to the right hand, and he's trying to get up, but Rabindra Dant is trying to choke him out. I don't know what he's trying to do. The desperation move here from Chungran Koren, very smart, because he was almost finished.
It's been for Rabindra Dant.
My God, dominant is an understatement, man.
He's known as Dant shot for a reason. Oh,
look at that reversal!
It's
return fire from the champion. This fight is far from over, my friend. I mean, you never know.
You never know.
It's the amount of action that's happened in the first minute, in the first 3.5 minutes, and he's trying his best to drag him down. No, but you know what? It's part of the sport. Sometimes you use it to your advantage.
Chungran fighting back now in the same manner as Rabindra did.
Chungran, though, what a heart of a champion. He took a pounding.
He goes in for the double leg.
He's battered and busted up, but now he gets good defense, good hips from Rabindra Dant. And man, the right-hand side of Chungran's face is busted up. Good trip from Rabindra. The reversal.
That scramble.
Man, again, Rabindra Dant again. And this is what I mean. Chungran Koren is so tough, but Rabindra Dant is pouring.
We are yet to see a knockout tonight, and this could be it. Man. Both these guys are swinging for the fences.
The damage that Chungran Koren has taken so far. And the bombs that Rabindra Dant is throwing at him.
Rabindra looks fresh.
Oh, beautiful. Caught him with the left coming in. And Chungran sloppy, trying to land a big overhand right on him.
Don't swing wide.
And his corner smartly says, don't swing wild.
What a beautiful performance in round number 1 by Rabindra Dant.
What a round, and what a way to start off the championship fight. Incredible. Incredible.
We have never seen anybody doing this to Chungran Koren.
That's what we talked about. We talked about the fact that, maybe Dant had a point. Maybe Chungran Koren's road has been against a lot of great
Let's
former
look at the
fighters.
action replay.
And Dunt immediately, he got taken, Chungran tried to trip him, Dunt reversed position, and this was the barrage of those strikes on the ground. There were at least 30 unanswered shots, and every time Dunt got position, he landed punishment. I almost thought the fight was over here. Another 10 seconds and referee Mark Goddard would have called it off.
And that's Chungran Koren fighting back.
And Chungran though, that's the warrior spirit within him. He's got so much of fire. He's never going to quit, and he's a champion for a reason. But I won't lie, that was a brutal round, a tough round to watch, because Chungran's eye is swollen up now. He's got a little bit of a hematoma on the right-hand side.
Get a grip of that corner. I don't want that to happen again.
And look at that. Chungran Koren is breathing a little heavily.
This definitely looks rocked.
Mate, this is the damage. This is the damage quotient now, because he's not sprightly. You can see he's flat-footed right now, and he's not moving as well. I mean, you never know. It's too early to tell. This is the championship fight, and Rabindra Dunt is ready for 5 rounds. But it's the amount of damage that Chungran took in the first round was something else, man. You can see that he's shaking off that leg with one kick. He's trying to wade in with some punches, but Rabindra Dunt sees it coming. Dunt now for a takedown of his own in his own corner. Chungran looking for submission. He's trying to lock his hands underneath and look for a choke. Oh, he might have. We can't really see here. You can see he's trying to squeeze onto his neck. And Rabindra Dunt though, he's almost past into side control. Almost.
Well, if Chungran loses tonight,
and there you go. And again, he's holding onto an arm here. He was trying to look for a Kimura, and he's now in a much more dominant position. This is a weird position for Chungran Koren, because he can't really do a lot with that arm there, trapped. Big shots, and here it goes. We continue. And he's in a bad space. 3 minutes, 40 seconds to go, and he's not in his corner.
Well, if Chungran Koren loses tonight, he'll be the first Indian to lose his MFN title.
Man, it's just something. He's
quiet. Don't talk to me.
Oh, big slip from Dunt, and Chungran Koren capitalizes on this position. Oh man, Dunt slipped over the top. Here we go. Dunt now reverses it. But Chungran Koren back on with that pressure. Don't ever count him out of a fight. This is a tough, grueling fight. We knew this was going to be a war. But Rabindra Dunt certainly getting the better of Chungran Koren so far. His corner is screaming something called UP style. I don't know what that means yet.
Or I need to ask him. Maybe it's the Yuki style, because Yuki's in his corner.
Oh, they're referring.
We've got his teammate Yuki in his corner.
Yeah, it's Yuki style. I thought UP style, like Uttar Pradesh style. That makes much more sense. But again, Rabindra Dunt again in a good position. Oh, big elbows. This is a bad spot. Very bad spot for Chungran Koren.
Kind of a crucifix.
And Chungran Koren trying to change position. Man, the heart of the champion is something to admire, because he's trying so hard. He's trying so hard to get control of this situation. Chungran Koren taking a breather here. He's a little sneaky, Rabindra Dunt. Tried to get a switch here. Here we go. Chungran Koren though, looking to get a better position. Oh, big shots.
Big shots.
Rabindra Dunt. Rabindra moving his head very well though. Gets back to his feet.
Chungran yet to do any damage to Rabindra.
Very nice by Chungran Koren. Reverses that position and now starts a barrage of his own strikes.
Starts pounding.
That's the Donkey Kong punches. Rabindra Dutt though. Oh, reverses position.
Oh, man.
Oh.
Doesn't go in his favor.
Bad position for Chungran Koren. And will it be a matter of time? It's less than a minute.
Oh, man.
He's flattened him out. He's in a bad way. He might look for America
like,
now on that arm.
It's like Chungran Koren getting a taste of his own medicine.
I mean, again,
exactly the same manner that he fights in.
He gave up. He lost position there, and now Chungran back on top.
He's got his
so
arms
back
stuck.
and forth. Oh, he's looking for a Darce choke there. He's got his arm underneath. He's locked it on the bicep. Has he locked it on the bicep yet? There you go.
Oh.
He's got that. He's got a front choke. He might have it. He's got a Darce choke.
Oh,
10 seconds.
This could be it.
10 seconds.
This could be
Can
it.
he survive for 10 seconds?
Oh, man.
Just 10 seconds. He's got a little bit more. I think he's okay.
Oh,
No,
saved
he's
by the
okay.
bell.
Saved by the bell.
Saved by
man.
the bell.
Man. Oh,
back
man.
and forth. Back and forth.
But
man.
But the Chungran Koren poured in his everything into that because he's taking a very, very long time to get up and go back to his corner. I don't think Chungran Koren needs to be able to look at Mark Goddard so smartly saying he needs to be able to walk back to his corner.
Let's look at the action replay.
Just missed with that counter right, and that's what caused the slip back and forth
That
in the
could
corner.
have been over.
Man, it was a tight Darce attempt, but that was then he lost position. He was too high on the back, gave up position, but Rabindra Dutt doesn't seem to be too affected by this. Those elbows again, I think, Chungran it's the amount of
He's
punishment
damaged
he's
at the
taking.
moment. Chungran definitely is
precisely,
damaged.
that's the right way of saying it.
And
He's
that's
damaged.
the choke that he locked in.
He
and
chopped
he
in
gave
the
it up.
Darce. He turned the right way. He needed to come in a little closer, but Dutt defended it so perfectly, creating just the right amount of space, knowing that there was 10 seconds to survive in the round. I mean, look at this. Ground control for Rabindra Dutt, 1 minute, 23 total strikes in just round number 2. We need to check round number 1. The round 1 is definitely above 100.
Don't do this to me. Don't do it.
A bit of scolding here by
man,
Mark
yeah.
Goddard.
Well, that's the Mark Goddard style. He's scolding everybody.
Let's go! Round number 3, ladies and gentlemen. This is the main event, and it's going to decide who walks home.
It just matters now who has more in the gas tank, because Chungran normally, who is so strong and who's got such a good gas tank, he's taken so many shots. The way he's moving is weird. I mean,
He's a little bit slow for sure.
I mean,
a little bit is an understatement. He's slow for sure.
I mean, you can see he's gassed. You can see the reversal that happened there. It seemed academic here. And the way he escaped, Rabindra Dutt just backed up and pulled out. I'm surprised Rabindra Dutt let him up. Oh, stuck him. Oh, he hurt him with that one. But man, what a chin on Chungran Koren. He's still in it. But there's only so many shots that the human skull can take.
Oh,
another big one. Another big hand. Rabindra Dutt opening up. Just missed a big shot. Oh, he's hurt. He's hurt. He's out.
This could be
He
it.
is out. We have a new champion. Rabindra Dutt has pulled off the upset. And the Soma team is going
This could be the biggest upset in the history of Indian MMA.
I talked about it. I said that this will be the first real test for Chungran Koren. And he saw it. He was beaten. His camp, of course, a great attempt. He's a great champion. He gave it his all. My heart goes out to Chungran Koren. But oh my goodness. Round number 3, the barrage of strikes that started it all. Let's take a look at the replays, because Rabindra Dutt did it. He did it. He said it, and Rahul, like you said, he manifested it, and he made it happen.
So Rabindra manifested it for the fans who are watching us. Rabindra's team made a video. It's a rap song with an animation, shows the entire life story of Rabindra Dutt, from him breaking stones for a living to taking up MMA and then finally knocking out Chungran Koren. Man, this is manifestation, nothing else.
I mean,
you work hard, work in the right direction, have your right team, have the right team in place, and you can deliver the biggest surprise.
No, I'm talking about the fact that we knew somewhere that this was going to be his first real test. He talked, and his corner was right. He took on an aging Agasa, who was way past his prime.
He took on the aging Chaitanya Gavli.
He took on,
again, Kantaraj was not in his prime.
No, Kantaraj's prime was in 2016. I mean, today Kantaraj with Mohammad Farhad as well. This was the first fighter who was on his level, and he proved that it wasn't.
And as I
on his
said,
level.
it's it's another Chungran Koren fighting Chungran Koren.
I mean, he
you know, it's like
Chungran.
Superman versus Superman.
Stellar performance. It was a stellar performance. I mean, we got referee Jim Perdius next to me. What a fight, right? I mean, I can't even begin to stress. We have a new champion. Sonam Zamba did the business tonight, and now Chungran Koren, you can see. I mean, the doctors are checking on him. His corner is checking on him to check if he's okay. He will live to fight another day. This is part of the sport, winning and losing. But man, this was Rabindra Dutt's moment, and he did it. Incredible.
Well, the bantamweight belt initially went to Pakistan. Ulumi earned it at MFN 10 after defeating Dhruv Chaudhary. And then later he had to vacate the title. Chungran Koren came up, won the title, and tonight Rabindra Dutt has made history in Indian MMA and in the MMA history of Nepal to be the first ever
I mean, I met his corner.
fighter
and we
from Nepal to win a title at Matrix Fight Night. Look at that! Look at that
great.
finish. Drop
I mean,
Chungran Koren.
there you go. That was the end.
Man.
It was over.
This
it was
is
over.
the biggest upset of the evening and the only knockout that we see
you got
at
your
MFN
knockout.
70.
You got your knockout.
We've been waiting for a knockout and Rabindra Dutt
My
does it
God.
in fashion.
It's the way he did it. He broke him down, and to do that to Chungran Koren says something. That he came in with a game plan. They knew what they were doing.
Well, it could be
and they broke him
overconfidence
down.
as well.
No. You know what? Chungran Koren is such
you
a
can't
solid
replace
fighter.
a skill with anything else.
It's not like it's you know, it's not like Chungran Koren got just suddenly flash knocked out. He broke him down in his manner. He broke him down with a barrage of strikes over and over again. He tired him out. He hurt him constantly. It was incredible. And Chungran Koren is in no. I think it's okay. He's going to let him walk out on his own. The stretcher is not needed right now. But man, oh man, it's a scary moment.